What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error. We are unable to install Adobe this time, error code 182. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, the easiest way to basically fix this is to go to this link that I'm going to leave in this description below and to download this Creative Cloud desktop app. This is like their own like store version, right, for Adobe. And in here you can basically find, you'll see like all their different types of like versions, whichever one you want to find. The one basically uninstall if it even lets you install it in the first place, or parts of it. If not, don't worry, just straight up find the Adobe app itself, whether it's Acrobat or whatever, right? Find it, download it from this specific software or store, and then basically install it from there. Once you do it from there directly, you will not have issues occur any longer, and you guys should be good to go. You can even go to the apps available for download. It'll show you literally all the different ones that you can have. But yeah, that's basically it. Once you guys do this, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, if you guys have a video, please press up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.